Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Google Adsense features. Google Adsense is a program by Google that allows website owners, bloggers and content creators to monetize their online content by displaying Google Ads on their website. Here are some key features of Google Ads. Number 1. Ad placement control. AdSense provides website owners with the flexibility to choose where ads appear on their sites. You can decide the ad format, size, and placement for optimal user experience. Number 2. Automatic ad optimization. AdSense uses machine learning to analyze your website's content and user behavior to display relevant and high-paying ads, maximizing your revenue potential. Number 3. Multiple ad formats. AdSense supports various ad formats including display ads, text ads, video ads, and native ads, giving you option to match the ad format with your content and audience. Number 4. Ad customization. You can customize the appearance of ads to match the look and feel of your website, ensuring a seamless user experience. Number 5. Responsive ads. AdSense offers responsive ad unit that automatically adjusts to fit different screen sizes and devices including desktop, tablets and smartphones. Number 6. Contextual targeting. Ads displayed through AdSense are contextually relevant to the content of your web pages, increasing the likelihood of user engagement and clicks. Number 7. Ad blocking prevention. AdSense helps prevent ad blockers from interfering with your revenue stream, ensuring that your ads are displayed to users who visit your site. Number 8. Performance report. AdSense provides detailed reports on ad performance, including impressions, click-through rates, CTR, and earnings, allowing you to track your revenue and optimize your ad strategy. Number 9. Payment options. You can receive payments via various methods, including bank transfers, checks, and Western Union Quick Cash, making it convenient for publishers worldwide. Number 10. Ad Review Center. You have the option to review and approve individual ads or block ads from specific advertisers or categories that may not align with your content or values. Number 11. AdSense for Search. You can add a custom Google search box to your site displaying ads in search results. You earn revenue when users click on these ads. Number 12. YouTube monetization. AdSense can be integrated with your YouTube channel, allowing YouTubers to earn revenue from ads displayed on their videos. Number 13. AdSense for mobile apps. If you have a mobile app, you can monetize it through AdSense by displaying ads within your app. Number 14. Access to Google advertisers. AdSense connects you with vast network of advertisers who bid on your ad space, ensuring a steady stream of potential ad placement. Number 15. Support and resources. Google provides publishers with support guidelines and resources to help them maximize their earning and ensure compliance with AdSense policies. Number 16. Performance trends. AdSense offers insights into performance trends, helping you understanding users' behavior and make informed decisions to optimize your ad revenue. Google AdSense is a popular choice for website owners and content creators to generate revenue from their online efforts. It's user friendly and offers a variety of features to maximize earning while maintaining control over placement and content relevance. Google AdSense offers several benefits to website owners, bloggers, and content creators looking to monetize their online presence. Here are the key advantages of using Google AdSense. Number 1, easy setup. AdSense is easy to set up and integrate into your website. Google provides straightforward instructions and code snippets that allow you to start displaying ads quickly. Number 2, passive income. AdSense provides a source of passive income. Once the ads are set up, you can earn revenue from them without much ongoing effort, allowing you to focus on creating content. Number 3, wide range of advertisers. Google AdSense connects you to a vast network of advertisers, ensuring a consistent flow of ads and potentially higher ad rates due to competition. Number 4, variety of ads format. AdSense support various ad formats including text, display, video, and native ads, enabling you to choose the formats that best fit your website and audience. Number 5, contextual targeting. AdSense uses contextual targeting to display ads that are relevant to your website's content, improving the chances of users engagement and click-through rates. Number 6, ad customization. You have control over the appearance and replacement of ads on your website, allowing you to maintain a consistent user experience and design. Number 7, responsive ads. AdSense offers responsive and unit that adopt different screen sizes and device enhancing to user experience for both desktop and mobile users. Number 8, global reach. AdSense serves ads to users worldwide, making it suitable for websites with an international audience. Number 9, monetization of various content types. You can use AdSense to monetize various types of online content, including websites, blogs, forums, and even mobile apps. Number 10, performance tracking. AdSense provides detailed performance reports giving you insights into ad impressions, click-through rates, earning, and more. This data helps you optimize your ad strategy. Number 11, payment option. AdSense offers multiple payment methods including direct deposit, check, and wire transfer with different payment threshold to accommodate publishers worldwide. Number 17, AdSense for search. You can add a custom Google search box to your website, earning revenue from ads displayed in search results. Overall, Google AdSense provides a straightforward way for content creators to generate revenue from their online properties while maintaining control over ad replacements and customization. It's a widely trusted and used platform in digital advertising industry. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.